Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So the box I'm going to be unboxing on my channel today is the Introverted Chick subscription box. Now this is only the second time I've received this box. This is a subscription I do pay for, and it caught my eye. If some of you are new to my channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Stay for a long time, forever if you must, or if you can. But anyway, no, I unboxed this on my channel last month. I had explained that it caught my eye. I am a very introverted person, and I kept looking for a box that kind of spoke to me, and I felt was like something that if I was going to pay my money and show it on my channel, it was going to be something that spoke to me and just was my style. So I found this box, and it was called the Introverted Chick. It looked really funny. It looks sassy. It looks like a smart ass type of box, which is something I like. I know there is a box that's a smart ass box, but this is not that. This is for introverted people, and it's called the Introverted Chick. Now this box is a monthly box. It is $39.99 a month, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you'd like to sign up, and also a code that if you do sign up, you'll save 15% off your first order, which I think is a great deal, and you'll be able to check out the box. You do have the option of doing month to month, so if you go ahead and order, get it for 15% off, and you decide it's not for you, then you're able to cancel. It's no big deal. You only lost the $39.99 minus 15% or whatever it was. But anyways, I think it's a really cool theme box. The company is really awesome. If you go follow them on Instagram, she's hilarious. I'm forever, if you go follow them, you'll see me that I'm always liking her posts. So this is how the box came this time. She actually hand wrote on the box and drew on it, did some stamps. But it says, "Hi Gina, smiley face Sarah," with a heart. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing in here is a card. It says the Introverted Chick, and on the back it says, "Thank you. I hope you enjoy your October box. Love, Sarah." Okay, so that's a nice personal touch. This is Sarah, if anybody's interested. What a beautiful little face. That's her. It is always wrapped up really cute. I say always. This is my second time, but the last time was cute, so this time's cute too. So here's the tissue paper. All right, here's the first item, which I love getting notebooks, so I appreciate this. It says notes, and it's really thick. Okay. So it's one of those long ones. You could do like a grocery list or chore list, to-do list, something like that. So I'll try to read it as I go. Let's see. Oh, and the other thing about this box, a lot of boxes give you spoilers or tell you what you're going to get for the month. This one does not. So it's always a surprise. You're not going to see what the box had in it till after that month passed. So I think it's kind of cool because I like surprises, so that's a cool thing for me. So this says Ombre Blue Rust Spiral Memo List Pad Ecolo. Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm a list maker. She always talks to you in the description. Also, if you get this subscription, she will tell you about each item in her own words. So like her description of it instead of the company. Okay, so it says, "Hello, my name is Sarah, and I'm a list maker. I find these Ecolo pads are the perfect size at 3 by 8.5 inch with 150 line pages. The cover is sturdy craft board and will survive being thrown in a purse, briefcase, or tote bag, and I know this firsthand. I have a few designs of this pad that I use in my office, but when I saw this new design in the catalog, I knew it was one y'all would love. The ombre palette is modern, cool, and pretty. I like how all the colors are kind of fall-like too. Enjoy using the pad to make all of your various lists." Okay, so that was the first item. Here's the second item, and I noticed last time she put snacks too, so that might be something you get every month. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to get it for a few months to let you know, basically. But anyways, this says Buddha Bowl Foods Himalayan Pink Organic Popcorn. So this is something I'm gonna definitely have Jalen check out because he is a popcorn fanatic. fun at it. Every day he gets home and he asks me, can he pop a bag of popcorn? So I buy him the smaller ones that are, I guess, not as many calories. Not that popcorn's bad for you, but I always have to have popcorn in the house ready for Jalen to get home. He loves it. Okay, so this says, I stumbled upon this popcorn about a year ago. It's yummy light, only 100 calories, and a perfect way to get your snack on anytime the mood hits. And this popcorn seems to melt in your mouth as soon as you put it on your tongue. Try it and see for yourself. There's organic popcorn, organic extra virgin coconut oil, and Himalayan salt. Non-GMO, vegan, kosher, gluten-free, and if you're one to read company websites, Lesser Evil has an interesting story and good karma seems to be abound. Enjoy. Okay. So the next item I'm grabbing. Okay, so here's this bar. It says apple pie, which I'm sure was fall themed. Okay, so the Larabar, the original original fruit and nut food bar. Okay, says apple pie Larabar. Have this delicious apple pie bar as a snack or as a meal. It's got a cup of fruit, 5 grams of fiber, and 200 calories. There are only 6 ingredients: dates, almonds, unsweetened apples, walnuts, raisins, and cinnamon. Kosher, dairy-free, vegan, non-GMO, soy-free, gluten-free. It's definitely not taste-free, though. Yum. So I like stuff like this, so I'll definitely be trying this out. And if y'all are interested, I'll let you guys know. Just ask me in the comments, and I'll tell you what I thought later. I'm limited to 15 minutes now because YouTube did some type of update with iPhones, and now they don't mesh, and I have 15 minutes to get these done. So this is a scrunchie. I used to love scrunchies. This one's really cute, too. Okay. Let's see. Fair Trade Guatemalan Rainbow Scarf Scrunchie. Lucia's World Emporium. This scrunchie is a top seller for Lucia's. It's a fun way to keep your hair out of your face with a gentle but secure hold and help keep the 80s alive. Your scrunchie is made from Guatemalan fabric. Excuse me. The rainbow colors are so much fun and make a statement. Each purchase empowers Guatemalan artisans. Lucia's is a member of the Fair Trade Federation and is dedicated to fair trade principles and trade built on trust. When you shop fair trade, you help improve the quality of life of artisans and families around the world. Okay, here's the next item. Sorry guys if I'm rushing. Got my 15 minutes of fame. Okay, so this is pure and natural, unscented, pure energy apothecary natural body lotion. Handcrafted in Vermont. Okay, so this says, Holy Luxurious Lotion, Batman. This 2-ounce travel-sized body lotion is perfect to keep with you when the air gets dry and your skin does too. Use the moisture-rich lotion to pamper yourself. This pure and natural line is unscented, fragrance-free, and created with natural ingredients. Easy pump container, non-GMO, made in Vermont, people and planet friendly. Okay. Here's the next item. Oh, she got her own pins now. That's cute. So it says the Introverted Chick. I like that pen. That's really cute. Okay. Ombre pen. I'm a sucker for cool pens. This rainbow-colored ombre ballpoint pen is a very cool pen. Black ink, click action. Pair it with your new list pad. You can pair it with your rainbow scrunchie too. Okay. Let's see what's in here. That looks like a sticker. All right, so here's a book. It says The Escape Manual for Introverts. I probably need this. Probably need this. Okay, it says, have you ever wished you had a list of handy-dandy excuses to use when you don't want to people? Well, now you do have that list in the form of this escape manual by Katie Vaz. Published in August 2019, this book is full of fun illustrations, cheeky humor, and what can be real-life advice for any introvert anywhere. Chapters cover alibis for friends, relatives, co-workers, acquaintances, and strangers. There's even an attached ribbon to keep the best excuses marked for quick reference. Katie has written 2 other books, and her Etsy store, and it gives the Etsy store, sells her cards, prints, and more. During October, our exclusive code, Introverted Chick, for 25% off Etsy orders. Check out her website and follow her on Instagram. Girl, I thought they sent me a condom. All right, what is this? Stash caffeine-free tea. I definitely wanted to send something pumpkin spice in your October box. It's a tea treat. The cinnamon apple chamomile was recommended to me by somebody that loves it. Me. I prefer the pumpkin spice, but you can decide which one you like best. It's good to try new things sometimes, eh? I will say that the apple tea is a pretty color in the cup, though. So it looks like I got both. Yeah. So there's the cinnamon apple, and here is the pumpkin spice. So I'll get to check these out. All right. Oh, how cute. Curl up with a good book. What a pretty bookmark. See it? Okay. All right, it's a hedgehog beaded bookmark. The amber yellow background and the silky coffee colored tassel with the gold and 2 pumpkin hues beads screams fall. It's the perfect season to curl up with a good book, or so says this adorable hedgehog. He's just so cute. I'd rather curl up with a good book and this precious hedgehog who seems like a magical creature that could talk. The book's a perfect accessory to use with your favorite book this season, or pair it with your new escape manual. Okay, and then it looks like the last thing that's in here. Let me go ahead and take it out. Cannot believe I'm gonna have this done in 15 minutes. That's really cute. So there's this item. So it's like a rustic type of tray with the lines. That's really cute. Okay, so this says, Nurture Your Soul Tray, a metal tray with sweet watercolor artwork. The Nurture Your Soul sentiment is a reminder to take time for yourself. You may see self-care how-tos everywhere, but maybe that's because we all overdo it and need an occasional slap upside our heads to remember to slow down and care for our bodies and souls. The tray has side handles for easy carrying of snacks, beverages, or whatever. Use it to hold trinkets, tchotchkes, or as a home for your keys. And then it tells you the measurements. It's not too big and not too small. It's just right, and Goldilocks would love it. You can even dress it up and change its appearance. See back page for tray arts and crafts. Okay, so that's really cool. Okay, I'm at 14:22, guys. I did it. So, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Everybody, if you could please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. Love you, and I'll see you in the next video. One more thing, guys. So I kept wondering why it was saying nourish your soul. This comes out, and this is, there you go. Nourish your soul. So that's how it actually looks. I like the stripes, too. It's kind of cute. So I would probably do it either way. But anyway, now you know. All right, love you.